Now this is your beautiful living space. Now this is your kitchen where you will get an L-shaped granite platform with an... Now here is your master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video we are doing a sample flat tour of Nirman Neopolis, which is located near Jeevan Nagar, Tathawade, Pune and developed by Nirman Greens. As you can see, I am at the actual location and behind me is the sales office and the land parcel of this project. और उसी के आगे आपको मिल जाती है जीवन नगर रोड, जो लेफ्ट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है अशोक नगर और राइट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे. बट बिफोर ड्राइविंग टू द प्रोजेक्ट, लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट इज हाउसी. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, where if you do an inquiry, your number share with the other brokers, resulting lots of calls. Housey connects you directly with the builders, which means transparent pricing, genuine information and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today through Housey. Now let us discuss the project overview. As you can see, behind me is the way towards the land parcel. This project will be constructed on 2 acres of land parcel with 4 towers, which includes 2 basement plus ground plus 18 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let us discuss the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I am at the actual road and this project is located opposite of Mahindra Happinest, Jeevan Nagar, Tathawade, Pune. और इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे 500 मीटर्स, Decathlon Walker 2.7 kilometers and on Dravid BRTS road 2.8 kilometers away. Now let us discuss the amenities of this project. This project has 25 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, kids play area, multi-purpose court, gym and many more. As you can see, I am standing right in front of this 2 BHK sample flat which has a carpet area of 721 square feet. Now this is the entrance and at the entrance you get a digital door lock for security purpose. As soon as you enter, you get an entrance lobby where you can customize it with decorative items or you can set up a shoe rack. Now, here in the living space, you will get an home automation switch. Now, let's check out the living space. Now, this is your beautiful living space. Here, you can set up your couch and a space for TV unit. You also get an attached balcony which has an anti-skate tiles, iron railing and 3-side covering. Now let's check out the dining space. Now here is your dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your breakfast, lunch and dinner with your friends and family. Are you planning to buy a new home? तो मेरा एक स्ट्रॉन्ग रिकमेंडेशन है, हाउसी के राइट्स ऑफ होम बायर्स सीरीज ज़रूर देखिए. बहुत से होम बायर्स को उनके राइट्स के बारे में पता नहीं होता, चाहे वो बिल्डर कैंसिलेशन डिडक्शन हो या कंस्ट्रक्शन और लीकेज रिलेटेड इशू. हमने सब कुछ सिंपल और इजी लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेन किया है, तो होम बाय करने से पहले इस सीरीज को ज़रूर देखिए, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. नाउ लेट्स चेक आउट द किचन स्पेस. नाउ हियर you will get a curved entrance at the kitchen space. Now this is your kitchen where you will get an L-shaped granite platform with an attached sink and also cabinets. You will also get an attached dry balcony with an attached sink where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. Also, you will get an attached window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. You will also get a space where you can set up your refrigerator. Now let's check out the first bedroom. Now this is your first bedroom where you can set up your bed and study table. You'll also get an attached large window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. Here you will get a proper wall and a space for wardrobe setup. Now let's check out the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what Housey provides. Housey provides you with the sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment scheme, 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today. Now let's check out the master bedroom. But before that, you get a common sink and common washroom, which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and false ceiling. Now, this is the entrance to your master bedroom. Now, here is your master bedroom where you can set up your bed and a space for TV unit and study table. You also get an attached balcony which has an anti-skid tiles, iron railing and 3-side covering. You also get an attached master washroom which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and false ceiling. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of Nirman Neopolis, which is located near Jeevan Nagar, Tathawade, Pune and developed by Nirman Greens. For more information about this project, please click the below link and download your e-brochures and price sheet. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to Houses YouTube channel and book your dream home today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.